This is just a quick analysis on Apple. You know, Apple pretty much moves the whole market. So I was just charting for the week and was kind of looking at where we are. So what I am noticing first on the monthly chart is that we have resistance here at like 178, and that it pretty much held below, closed below every single month until this month we actually opened above it. So even though Apple has been running for what, 6 months, um, I think an open above a strong previous level of resistance is really bullish. And then what I did was just some initial charting, um, marked that level here as one to keep an eye on. And then I also noticed on the daily that Apple had this really cool inverse H pattern that is a bullish pattern. Also, looks like we got a bull flag here with the break higher on Friday, even though Apple it closed with a pretty bearish candle. Um, I am just still kind of keeping an eye on it to see what it does. I want to just kind of remove some of this so that I can just get a clearer um, view. I want to hide that indicator. Um, so this level here clearly was a strong support hold. We had a hold here, a hold here. We had support here, here, and here, triple bottom. And it definitely pushed off of that on Thursday going into Friday with the bull flag break going higher. And now that we have that break, I would like to see if Apple can hold here as support. Just want to see if it can hold right here. So if it can hold, then I definitely think Apple can push higher, go back up to test 182.68, 182.65 basically, and back up to test all-time highs at around 185. So Apple has been incredibly strong. Something else that I noticed is that this past week, the analyst ratings were wild for Apple, just absolutely wild in almost every single case. It got a price target increase from 190 to 210 up to 190. This was Wedbush gave it a 205 rating. They got one downgrade from buy to neutral from this analyst, but look at how many more are all to the upside. Like this is literally the only one that got a downgrade. So all of these price targets are pushing toward 190 up to 220 on Apple. So I definitely think that is something to watch. And then also, I think I wanted to check something on the 4 hour. Um, yeah, I just like this support hold here. So we held here and held here. This was support back here. So, and definitely resistance right here at 184 to watch for. So, this could be a nice swing if Apple can hold 181, 180.50, 181. You could definitely do a shorter term swing up back up to 184. So that is my really quick analysis on Apple for this week. Again, just keeping in mind we have major data this week with CPI, PPI, and FOMC on Wednesday. That is definitely important to overall market sentiment. So keep that in mind.